Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where graphic has been blocked from accessing graphics hardware error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. And lastly, you can update Windows. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.